Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to fix the Audi TT door. So the problem is when I open the door it should have just dropped down a tiny little bit and yeah, it's not doing that. So in this video we're going to fix that. Okay, so when you open the door the window should drop down and this one does. Yep. So when you open the door as well the interior lights come on, so they do. So this is the passenger door. It's working perfectly. Let's go around to the driver's side. So just before we get too far into the video, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I'm halfway through it. So the door card comes off, there's just one bolt there in the center, super easy to take off. You pull it out a little bit, then push it up, and the whole door card comes off. So next we looked at the, I suppose useful is the lock mechanism. And there's just two nuts holding that on, super easy. Undo them, give it a wiggle and it comes out. There is a lock just here. This is the cable for outside. You can see it in there. It's actually super easy. You just turn the wire so it's pointing up, pull the whole thing back and push it back up again and it just comes out. Super easy. It's just a little lock like that, little hook. So you just push it out obviously this way and then come up around it. And that's it. There's the actual barrel. It's basically just a screwdriver blade and it fits in there somewhere as well. And you just pull it slightly to yourself and it'll come out. Not a problem. So next is this, the old switch. So the switch was here. I've obviously just cut it off. If you're doing it again, cut it off loads as tight as you can to this side because obviously the switch is gone, so you're not going to use it again. But what it does again, so this window should drop down and it isn't, so we're going to test it. Just touch the two of them. And of course the interior lights also come on. So I've had this car for a while and it's been driving me mad that, not that the windows don't drop down because I think they're a bit of a gimmick, but because the interior lights don't come on, and also I think it affects the central locking as well. This is the way the car knows if the door has been open. So what we're going to do is join these two wires onto the new switch. So this is a little micro switch I got. The most important thing is that gimbals are on the right side and they fit into those two little holes down there, and just solder the wires on. And here's a little clip. The clip has a little angle on it, so it'll slide in there and lock in like that. Super easy. Let's do some soldering. Okay, and we're done. So yeah, it's all soldered again. Blue to blue, red to red. I think they can be in reverse, it doesn't really make any difference. Right, time to test it. Brilliant. Okay, obviously put the heat shrink back onto the solder joints. Get them all joined back together again. Okay, so I have the little micro switch back in. Now time to get the little clip on, so you can see that it's curved. So what we're going to do is go in from the far side and bring it around. Okay, you can see it. Just gently push it. Okay, there you have it. Very hard to do one-handed and film at the same time, but basically just shove it down and it lines up. Okay, I have it all back together, including the little plastic cover, which probably took the longest amount of time out of everything to put back. So now it's back on, it's all bolted up. Now just put on the door card. Okay, now that I have the door card on, now time to get the last piece on. Done. Okay, now to test out the window. So we're going. Okay, did you see that? Of course, the internal lights are on. So that's a win. Okay, so from inside the car, we turn on the side lights. No buzzing. Open the door. That's buzzing. So that's the micro switch also controlling that. So guys, that's now the Audi TT all fixed yet again. So if you like these videos, don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. Support me on PayPal in the link below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.